Hi everyone, my name is Wanda from Samdrisa. Today we're going to be making a diagonal bracelet. We're going to start with our very dark string and our pink string. We are going to make a backward knot with our pink string over the dark green string. Now we're going to pick up our new green string and pick up our other green string and we're going to make a forward knot. We're going to make one forward knot here and we'll pick up the next two strings beside this one, light and dark green again, and we're going to use our light color string this time to make two forward knots over this string and over the neon colored string. And now we're going to pick up our extremely dark string and our pink color string. We're going to make two forward knots with our pink color string and a backward forward knot on our new green string. Now remember, if you don't know, if you're making this bracelet currently, come back to this exact point. This is where the pattern starts repeating from. Now that we've done our backward color string, pick the two strings at the end and make a forward backward knot. Take our pink string and make two backward knots. So we're going to our right side, put just three strings to one side and the neon colored string too, and we're going to our right side and we're going to make exact opposite. So we're going to take our pink string and we're going to make two backward knots. I made a mistake here, but I'm just going to continue going. We're going to make two backward knots, and on that string I'm holding we're going to make a backward forward knot. Now we're going to take our two strings on the right, going to make a backward forward knot. Now we'll use a pink string and make two forward knots. Now we are going to take our string, our neon colored string, and we're going to make two forward knots, and on our very dark green string we're going to make a forward backward knot. Now we are going to take our, I don't know, it looks like a leaf color. We're going to take a little dark string and we are going to make 3 forward knots. Now we're going to take our other light green string and our very dark string, and we're going to make a backward forward knot over that string first. Backward forward knot. Then we're going to make 2 forward knots. Now we are going to take our pink colored string. I think you should have recognized this already. This is where the pattern is repeating from. So we're taking our pink colored string and we're making 2 forward knots and 1 forward backward knot. So I'm going to show this one more time. With our 2 strings on the left, make a forward backward knot. Now use our pink string and make 2 backward knots. Now we move on to our right and we'll make 2 backward knots and 1 backward forward knot. And we are going to use our 2 strings to make a backward forward knot, and when we're done with that we'll proceed to take our pink string and make 2 forward knots. This has come to the end of this tutorial. If you would like this, please subscribe and give me a like, and if you don't understand, don't hesitate to leave a comment, or you can get me on any social media. I'll have my links below. Bye.